Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. I started a video series sharing my absolute favorite YouTube channels. These are the channels where I watch every video as soon as I possibly can, because these guys are fun, they're inspirational, they're passionate, and extremely talented. The third in my series is from my home country, Canada. Let's check it out. Pine Tree Line Outdoors, as you can tell by the name, is all about getting outside from a Northern Ontario perspective. Doug and his friend and co-star Jamie absolutely love being outdoors, and it comes across loud and clear in their many videos. Winter or summer, these guys are hiking, fishing, camping, or boating in the beautiful wilderness around Sudbury, Ontario, Canada. Incredible views, incredible scenes, and often incredible food feature prominently in their videos. And all the while, their passion and respect for nature shines through. Their message? Get out there and enjoy. I love the enthusiasm and all-round positive outlook. But Doug, don't drive the truck into the... Oh, never mind. Great channel, check it out. There's a link in the description below and in the end cards for this video. This stuff makes me happy, and I'm betting it will cheer you up too during these troubled times. And I'm sure you'll make Doug and Jamie happy too if you watch Pine Tree Line Outdoors videos and subscribe to their channel. Stay tuned for the next of my favorite YouTube channels. Thanks for watching.